Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers in San Antonio, Texas. We've been in business here since 2012 and we've purchased well over 100 homes. Many of them have been inheritance homes, and specifically we love the King William area of San Antonio, Texas. It's south of downtown. There's some excellent and fantastic historical homes there, but if you've got an inheritance home for sale, or that you would like to sell in King William, we'd love an opportunity to earn your business. And we're a little different than a traditional home buyer. We are investors, but we're going to come in with a cash offer. In many cases, we're not going to need an option period or a inspection period. So the offer that we make you will be the offer that we close on. In many cases, or most cases, we can close in as little as 3 to 7 days. So we're not going to the bank for financing. We don't need approval from a partner. We're going to go in, spend a few minutes in your house. We're not going to need more than an hour in the house, start to finish, and we'll be able to make you a cash offer that we will close on. We put down a substantial deposit, and we love King William in San Antonio. We're from here, and that's such a fantastic neighborhood. What we do is we go in and we buy houses that are distressed in some form or fashion. Maybe there's back taxes owed, or maybe the house needs $100,000 in repairs, you name it. We go in and we provide the service of providing a cash offer and letting the owner, in this case maybe somebody that inherited the house, let them walk away in as little as a week. So many times people inherit a home and they think that they want to go in and hire a contracting crew and flip the house or whatever they saw on TV, and then they get into it and they realize that it is far more involved than they initially thought. And so in many cases, it can be more profitable and much easier to just sell to a cash buyer like Alamo Cash Buyers. And if that's the case, if you got an inheritance home in King William, we would love a chance to earn your business. You can give us a call, the number's on the screen, or fill out the form on the website. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.